what's up? Alfonso here from Atlantic Marine in our inboard department where we build our inboard engines. Mercruiser, Volvo Penta, Crusader, Ford, you name it, we do it in-house. All our engines come with a 2-year warranty and we build them here. Anything from 3.0, 4.3, 5.0, 5.7, everything gets done in-house. 2-year warranty and nothing but the best. Give us a call, 305-826-2202. This is our head department here, taking care of our heads. What's up, Alejandro? All our work gets done in-house. So give us a call at 305-826-2202 and let's build your inboard engine today. We build them remanufactured and we build them new as well. Atlantic Marine Store.